You come to realize that the world's greatest discoveries sometimes go by unnoticed. They are silent and often invisible to the world. 25 years ago, Environ with vitamin A was one of these discoveries. It took thousands of hours and kilometers to spread the word. The truth about Environ.
I first saw changes in the skins of patients whom I treated with the medical form of vitamin A, and I discovered reports that showed that skin cancer and sunspots, keratoses as we also call them, had been treated with vitamin A acid. The skin needs vitamin A all the time, because I know that vitamin A is actually locked in the skin. Babies need good doses of vitamin A to avoid fetal abnormalities. Vitamin A is useful for all skin types and for anyone who goes out into light at any age. Once you understand how essential vitamin A is for your skin, you will understand that you should never deprive your skin of it. You need vitamin A every day, rain or shine, and the longer you use it, the healthier your skin will look. We all have to go out into the sun every day. And that's why Environ exists.
You know, I always think of vitamin A as something like oxygen or air that we breathe. Vitamin A is remarkable. The reward is the lovely skin that the people develop.
Now, 25 years later, we are sold in 70 countries worldwide. No longer silent or invisible. Scientifically proven, emotionally embraced. Environ. Beautiful skin for a lifetime.